day is finally here. We're just entering the Calgary Stampede. Gonna explore a bit, see what we can find, try some weird treats, ride some rides, see what else there is to do. Let's go exploring. It looks like we found the first thing we're gonna try. There's a chairlift. Takes you all over on top of the Stampede. You can see everything. I'm gonna give that a try, get a view from up high. Here we go on the lift. This is scary. I'm scared of heights, so this is terrifying. Let's take a look. Oh boy, I'm so terrified. Sat in the middle by myself. Oh, scary. Carnival rides over there. Definitely not doing any of those. Snacks and carnival games. I think it's gonna be a fun day. As soon as we get down from here, at least. Oh, it's shaking again. Even though it's a stampede, there's not that much people. It's like enough space that you can get around without worrying about a bunch of them. It's very good. So that's great. Alright, we're starting to descend now. We're going down. Okay. We're going down. So check it out, it's so hot here. We've got misting stations over every single booth. Keep you nice and cool while you order. Not getting tea in here, it's all slushies. You're not getting any? No, I can't have any of these. I'm just here for the mist. Some video walking around. Slurpees. I guess we can't say Slurpees, that's
Slush Zone.
I know it's slush because Slurpees are 7-Eleven. They own the name. We have the rights to the name. Sir.
Hey Ryan! What are you passing right now?
Rides that I'm never going on. Everything's sugar.
Are we gonna do Midway?
What's Midway?
Like the games and stuff?
Like regular games? I'll try a few. Depends what there is. Let's see what there is. Like
Cowboy hats are over there.
ooh, that's where we gotta go. The cowboy hat. See if we can find it. Is that oh, lots of cowboy hats. Let's see what we find. Hi. I don't know. What do you think? Which one should I try?
The pink one.
No, anything but the pink. Lots of cowboy hats. Anything but the pink. Sorry, let me just. You got a mirror?
Where did the mirror go? I don't know.
Thanks. How does that look? I think that looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Perfect size. Look at how many people are in line for the rides. It goes way back there. That's crazy. Those lines are super long. Stop somewhere, see if I can get myself a cold drink. Oh, whack-a-mole. That sounds fun. Whack-a-mole sounds fun.
Should we try it?
I'll try it. $10. How many tickets? 12? Not bad. I got a lot.
Sounds good.
Do I have 12 tickets?
Which one do you want on? 2? get
4,
these
6,
folks
8, 10,
here
12.
ready to go.
Is that right? 1, 2, 6, 8, 10.
Are you doing it?
You guys
Probably.
wanna play?
I'll try it.
Alright.
You wanna hold it for me?
Okay, sounds good. Yep.
Whack-a-mole. Get far enough so we can get her.
Alright. 9, 8. Alright. Anybody else want to join? Get one more person in here. We'll up the prize, folks. We'll up the prize. One more person. Last call. Come on. One more person. Want in? Any guys want in?
I guess everybody got
alright. Okay. Alright, guys. Hammers up. Eyes down. Whack those moles on the buzzer. Ready? Here we go. Hack them, smack them. First to 150, it's a prize. First to 150. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, number 9. Awesome.
Oh, 150. I did 120.
Where are you at?
120.
120.
Oh, where are you guys both at? Oh, you're so close.
So I guess she won.
So you don't even get a little prize?
So what happens is the person with the highest wins?
The first person to 150 wins.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
That was kind of a scam.
Yeah.
That was a real scam. Anyway, it was fun. What do you all think about my cowboy hat? It's good? Let me know in the comments. They want me to go on this right here, but I'm saying hell no.
Come on, Whoa.
No. That's a definite no. You're actually going on that?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'll wait for you here. Have fun.
Oh, I was like, that's
Definitely not going on that ride. I'll be here watching you two scream. Oh, imported. No hats. Let me hold your hats. I guess they'll just fly off. You probably might not want your glasses either. Oh, they're gonna shit themselves. I'm not going on that. No way. I'm a coward for rides. Oh. They might not even fit. Sorry guys, you guys saw me freak out on the lift. That's like the scariest I'm gonna get on. Let's see where they are. I think that's them there. Oh, there they are. And it's starting to build up speed. Oh boy, they're different ones. They're too big to fit in together, so they gotta go separate. That would make it even worse. I don't think I'd be able to do it all by myself like I did the lift. But anyway, I was glad that I was up by myself on the lift because I was scared if I had someone else who might try to rock it. They've got balls to do it, I know. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at their faces. Oh no. I'm glad I did get on. Holy. There we go, it's done.
That was so fun.
You look terrified. It's over. Now we just wait for them to get off. No way in hell I'm just gonna do that. Nope. Oh my god. I swear I would have died. battery's almost dead.
Huh?
Battery's almost dead.
Don't you have another one?
Yeah, I got more. Switch them out a little bit.
Sorry, it's hard for me to
Water gun fun. Oh, that's my kind of game.
You guys have a great night. Have fun, guys. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing tonight?
All these games are scams. They're all competitions. Only one person gets a prize. It's like I'm not competing against people. No thanks.